In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in WordPress. This is a handy tool that not only enhances your site's navigability, but also improves user experience and SEO rankings. So let's dive in and make your website even more user-friendly. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. If you're not already logged in, that's our next step. On the site, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, you should see multiple login options. For this tutorial, we'll streamline the process by choosing to continue with Google. This method is not only quicker but also secure and reliable, leveraging your Google credentials for a seamless login experience. Now, it's time to choose your Google account. Depending on how many accounts you have, select the one that you use for your WordPress site. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard, a hub of tools and settings for managing your site. Look to the right side of your screen. There's a section labeled Quick Links. Here you'll find an option called Edit Site. Click on that to open up the editing interface for your WordPress site. Now, with your site editor open, we're ready to add a table of contents. In the editing menu, look for a little plus icon, often found at the top or side. This plus icon is your gateway to adding different types of content blocks to your page. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a search bar and a list of content blocks. In the search bar, type the word table. As you start typing, you'll see several options appear. You're interested in the one labeled Table of Contents. Click on this option, and voila, you've added a table of contents to your WordPress post or page. This tool automatically grabs headings within your content and neatly organizes them into a list, making navigation smoother for your readers. Not only does this help users jump to sections of interest, but search engines love it too. This can potentially boost your SEO ranking, as it signals that your content is well structured and organized. And there you have it, a professional touch added to your WordPress site in just a few steps. Adding a table of contents enhances both your site's usability and accessibility, benefiting both casual visitors and die-hard fans. So next time you're crafting a long post or page, consider giving your readers the gift of effortless navigation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on optimizing your WordPress experience. Until next time, happy blogging.